Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a lead funnel. First, understand that a lead funnel is a strategic path designed to guide potential customers from their initial awareness of your brand all the way to making a purchase. It's a structured approach to converting prospects into loyal customers, ensuring no valuable lead is overlooked. We'll cover each essential stage to help you build an effective system. To begin, focus on attracting attention and sparking interest. This involves creating valuable content, like blog posts or videos, that addresses your audience's pain points. Offer free resources, such as an ebook or a webinar, in exchange for their contact information. Your goal here is to provide enough value to make them curious and willing to learn more about what you offer. Next, it's time to nurture those interested leads and guide them towards a decision. Send targeted emails with helpful information, special offers, or invitations to exclusive events. Showcase success stories and testimonials to build trust and demonstrate your value. Finally, present a clear call to action, making it easy for them to take the next step, whether it's a purchase or a consultation. Finally, continuously optimize your lead funnel for maximum effectiveness. Regularly review your data to identify bottlenecks or areas for improvement. Experiment with different messaging, offers, and landing page designs through /B testing to see what resonates best with your audience. Small adjustments can lead to significant gains over time. And hey, while you're optimizing, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.